Book 2, Lesson 2.
Fast food on the fly. Have you ever seen a bat hanging in some high corner of a room? Were you afraid? A bat can't talk. But imagine it could. Let's hear what it has to say. You probably think I'm ugly. A lot of people do. Maybe it's my wide wings, enormous ears, and small body. Some people are afraid of bats because they think we will get tangled in their hair. That's silly. I can fly through a gap in a fence no wider than your hand, and I don't even touch the sides with my wings. Do you think I'm going to fly by accident into someone's hair? It's not very likely. Here is another thing you should know. I'm nosy, just like people. If I see a small opening near the roof or in the wall, I like to find out what's on the other side. So if you see me fly into your house, just open some doors and windows to help me get out. I don't want to be there any more than you want me there. I am a small brown bat. I weigh less than half an ounce. Because I am so light, I fly very well. I'm like an acrobat in the air. I need to be. My food is flying insects. Once I spot one, I go after it and scoop it up in my mouth. And I do it in the dark. Pretty clever, don't you think? People hate mosquitoes because they bite. But we bats love them. It is easy for me to eat a couple of hundred bugs and still be hungry for more. You probably don't believe that I can catch bugs in the dark. But it's true. That's because I see them with my ears. Here's how I do it. I make sounds that are so high you can't even hear them. No human can. These sounds hit the bug I'm chasing. Then they bounce back to me. The sounds tell me just where the bug is as I fly after it. My big ears help me catch the sounds. No matter how much it tries to get away, the bug doesn't have a chance. Did you know that bats sleep by hanging upside down? This may seem strange, but there is a good reason for it. When I want to fly, all I have to do is let go and I'm in the air. I'm flying. If I started from the ground, my legs could not support me. All bats are like that. We have very strong wings but weak legs. So when you see a bunch of us swooping and flying in circles just as it's getting dark, don't be alarmed. That's when the bugs come out. Flying bugs are our fast food. That is, they are fast, but we are faster. We are just enjoying our dinner.